I'm gonna make that water block and I'm
It
gonna try to jump
shouldn't
onto
be
it.
long, though. It doesn't belong.
Okay, where should it go?
To the
Right
highest
here?
place.
I think
No,
this
to
is
the
the highest
tree.
safe.
And jump up.
No, because then you can't see anything.
I see it. I see it. I see it.
Ah, beautiful. This is it.
We're gonna jump onto the moon. And now,
No, that's the sun.
Feynman, jump.
Ready? Ready?
Onto the sun.
No, Feynman, creative. I mean, survival. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good.
Game mode. Oh my gosh, I have to do / game mode. Gosh. Ready?
This is so good.
Oh my gosh, no!
Oh,
I died.
that's so big.
And amazing.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I survived that, and that's
I want
that.
to see where you fell from.
Okay. Server, should it give me sneak up on me if he makes a server like this? Cause look, guys. Excuse me. Why can I not place this?
You can only place it on top of blocks.
No,
Bye.
my scaffolding.
It broke when it fell.
It only fell so.
Feynman, do another one of those things. They just fall.
Cute. Bye bye. Where is it?
They if they fall.
Oh, this is hard. I think I immediately lose things.
Booyah.
That's fun. But there is a lot of iron in here. See, look. Iron.
Mine it.
Hey, wait.
You'll need it.
But Feynman, if this is
Oh my gosh, look.
how will you ever get up there?
Tower, maybe? Like mine, dirt.
That's way more than 64
That's
blocks.
so pretty.
Yeah, so take more than one stack.
And only like 20,000 stacks.
Is this gonna be your base?
Look, it's iron.
Are you gonna make your base on top of the iron?
Feynman, please do the thing.
No, he doesn't want to.
Yeah, I don't.
But it's gonna be so cool.
He's making floating iron.
Why can I not move?
Imagine if it was hardcore and you couldn't move through one block. You could only move through through 3 blocks. That would be so annoying.
Doesn't that look so weird? Doesn't that look
The one and only floating iron.